What's up, guys? It's your girl Rissadean. Welcome back to my channel, and for new people, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I achieve a sleek back low puff on my 4C hair. So first, I am just doing my lock method with my leave-in. I'm using the blueberry curls leave-in treatment, and for my oil I'm using avocado oil, and for my cream I am using my curl enhancing cream, which I love so much. So to start off, I am making sure that I comb all of the product through my hair, and I am going to section my hair into 4 sections, and that I clearly know where my part is going to go. So I'm going to use my Eco Styling Gel, and I'm going to get me a hard bristle brush and my wide tooth comb, and I am separating the hair, and I am placing the Eco Styling Gel on the roots of the hair, and I'm getting a good amount, like I would say about a generous amount, you know, because you really want this hair to be very, very smooth and lay very flat as possible. With doing this, it is very time consuming. Like, I think it took me about 30 to 45 minutes, because us ladies with 4 type hair, it's rough, y'all, trying to get a sleek ponytail. You can't just slap the gel down and use a brush and then brush it up, not to get a very smooth result. You can do that, but it might not be smooth all over your head, because I've done it, and you have your little lumps and humps and bumps here and there, and I really wanted to go for a more smooth look, very sleek. And now I'm going to work with the left side, and I'm starting with the back as I did with the right side. And as I am laying this gel down and smoothing it down, I am doing it in the direction that I want the hair to go. Don't just do it in any direction, and because you are laying your hair down, so you have to lay it in the direction that you want it to go. So yeah. And let me tell you, my little arms were hurting. Do you hear me? And then using that brush, I was brushing the heck out of my hair. Like, I really felt the bristles in my scalp. And trust me, I don't get that often. Any of my 4 type hair ladies, you know, we don't get that often. So And at this point, what would be super cute is to like add some hair to your ponytail or not, you know, it's really up to you. You could do so much with this the pony part. So super cute. But I just left my hair out and I tried to fluff it because my hair tangles so easily. So I'm trying to fluff it out, but I'll fluff it out more the next day when I take it down. And then, you know, we have to lay them edges, girl. Got to. Yes, honey. Yes, girl. Take them glasses off so you can see what you're doing. Slick them sideburns down. Y'all, I got some really long sideburns, but I love them, honey. Just slick them right on down. So of course, you know, you have to get you a scarf of some type. I got me a do-rag that I will be using to tie my hair down with, and I did go to sleep like this. But if you are doing this as a quick style, then I just recommend that you lay it down until the gel dries. But to go to sleep at night, do use a scarf or a do-rag of some type to keep it looking good. So yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys in the next video.